Hello learners. Today we are diving into one of the biggest government recruitment system in India, the railway examinations. Whether you dream of working in NTPC, Group D, ALP or technician roles, this guide will give you the complete smart strategy to crack the RRB easily. So let's begin. India Railways conducts several major examinations, but the most popular ones are RRB NTPC, RRB Group D, and RRB ALP or Technician. All of them test one thing: your ability to think fast, solve accurately, and stay consistent. Now, RRB NTPC, that is non-technical popular categories. This examination is for the post like clerk, station assistant, goods guard, and the traffic assistant. It has two stages like CBT 1 and CBT 2, followed by the skills test for some post. And the subjects are simple like mathematics, general intelligence and reasoning, general awareness. The difficulty level is easy to moderate, but the real challenge is the competition. Millions apply. So your preparation must be solid, not casual. Now comes the RRB Group D. This is one of the most applied examination in India. The computer-based test includes maths, reasoning, general science and the general awareness. After that comes the physical efficiency test where you must show the basic fitness. So along with studying, keep a little physical routine, walking, running, flexibility and exercises. Now comes the RRB ALP or the technician. This examination needs a bit more technical understanding. It includes math, reasoning, general science, electrical or mechanical basics depending on the post. There is also a CBAT, computer-based aptitude test for the loco pilots. Now, some special tips for my students. Practice basic arithmetic daily. Railway maths is simple but lengthy. Strengthen the reasoning puzzles, they repeat every year. Read the current affairs, railway related news. Keep a notebook for science basics like physics, chemistry, biology fundamentals and solve the previous year papers. They are like gold and build physical stamina if you are preparing for Group D. Railway examination rewards steady preparation, not shortcut. If you are consistent for even 3 months, your score will shoot up. Now, at our institute, we provide one-to-one support, small batch classes, full mock test series and the special science capsule for the quick revision and free classes for the students struggling financially because dreams should never stop. Railway jobs offer security, pride and a stable future. So start preparing smartly and confidently. Thank you for listening. Let's crack railway exams together.